In its ongoing campaign against female genital mutilation in the Gambia, GAMCOTRAP has handed over 6 million machines to ex-circumcisers in the North Bank region. This initiative aims to provide sustainable alternative employment opportunities for former circumcisers, helping to economically empower them while safeguarding women and girls from FGM. GAMCOTRAP states that the provision of these milling machines is intended to offer sustainable alternative employment opportunities for ex-circumcisers in their region. The goal is to economically empower them and assist in their transition from performing circumcisions to actively contributing to the protection of women and girls from FGM. Given their strong ties to the cultural and traditional values of their communities, GAMCOTRAP believes that equipping ex-circumcisers with sustainable livelihoods is crucial to preventing a return to past practices and further promoting the abandonment of FGM. The 6 million machines were fully funded by the UNFPA country program aimed at celebrating the success of upholding the law by providing ex-circumcisers with the opportunity to engage in economic activities of their choice. During the event, Dr. Aissatou Toure, Executive Director of GAMCOTRAP, stated that the 6 million machines are intended to create sustainable alternative employment opportunities for ex-circumcisers.
Today marks the official launching of 6 milling machines in the North Bank region, a project made possible through the generous support of the UNFPA country program, as well as donor direct action frontline women. This initiative is part of our broader mission to create sustainable alternative employment opportunities for ex-circumcisers and to support their transition from harmful traditional practices such as female genital mutilation to activities that uphold the dignity and well-being of girls and women's rights. We all recognize the critical role that ex-circumcisers play in the cultural and social fabric of our communities. They have the unique ability to lead change from within, helping to shift long-standing practices and social norms by raising awareness about the dangers of FGM and other forms of sexual and gender-based violence.
Earlier this year, the National Assembly in the Gambia rejected a bill aimed at repealing the 2015 ban on female genital mutilation. Lamin Kamara, the UNFPA representative, emphasized the crucial need to end this harmful practice in order to safeguard the well-being of girls.
Tey mbégte la pour ñu ñëw toog fii nii pour gis ne am na jigéen yoo xam ne tey ñoom la ñoo sargal jox leen ay machine wollukaay yoo xam ne ñu ngi fi. waaye loolu du lu gën a am solo si ndaje mi man lu gën a am solo si man mooy jigéen yoo xam ne ñoom si seen boppa toog nañ ñu gis ne pour àq ak yelleef fi pour taxawal àq ak yelleef fi xale yu jigéen yi ñu teg ay jumtukaay yoo xam ne loolu lañ doon jëfoo pour yóbbu xale yu jigéen yi si àll bi tey ñooñu lañ isi fii ñu sargal leen. te ñoom bu ñoo def loolu kenn tegut paaka seen put yi kenn joxut leen alali àdduna waaye ñoom ñoo toog si xam-xam boo xam ne loolu lañ leen baaxee ñu gis ne lii mu ngi lor suñ doom yu jigéen lii mu ngi lor suñ jigéen ñi ñu ne nañ ko teg.
The chief of Jaro West, Yaya Jajusi, who attended the event, stated that the machines would provide the ex-circumcisers with sustainable employment opportunities.
Project launching and impact. Official announced the launching of 6 million machines in the North Bank region, made possible by support from UNFPA and donor direct action. Emphasizing the transformative role this achievement will play by providing ex-circumcisers with sustainable employment opportunity, steering them away from harmful practices.
Former circumciser Tumbul Jaju shared that she had practiced circumcision for over 10 years but chose to stop after recognizing the harmful effects it has on young girls.
Mpana kuma so sai nda sangi tang sini ala sonta. Bar sai nda ngalon ko sila to yanto mantoro ba koma. Ni mantoro ni ba koma kiri manduala ba on to na dingol meni kana. Marngol meni kana. Wala musama alifal. Sama alifal la mantoro nda fanta la filawal. Le pata kairo re sabati kabirim bi ko jannim fo.
GAMCOTRAP emphasized the vital role ex-circumcisers play in raising awareness about female genital mutilation and other forms of sexual and gender-based violence. This recognition led to the donation of 6 million machines to ex-circumcisers in the North Bank region. The 6 communities of Toro Alasana, Madina Kanuma, Bakindiki, Bakalar, Sika, Tambana were the recipients of the milling machines. Reporting for Kerfatu, I am Buba Gajigo.